Appwrite versus Supabase versus Firebase. Best backend platform. I'm going to tell you which backend platform stands out. Appwrite, Supabase, or Firebase. Firebase, owned by Google, is one of the most popular backend as a service platforms. It provides real-time databases, authentication, cloud storage, and hosting. Firebase is known for its smooth integration with Google's ecosystem and its scalability, but it can get pricey as your app grows. Supabase is an open source alternative for Firebase. It's built around PostgreSQL, offering features like real-time databases, authentication, and storage. Supabase is fully customizable and great for developers who want more control over their data. It's ideal if you're already comfortable with SQL and want something scalable. Appwrite is another open source platform focused on providing a secure and easy to use backend. It's known for its rich set of APIs, great documentation, and simplicity, making it perfect for smaller projects of those just starting with backend development. So, use Firebase if you need a robust, fully managed solution and easy Google integration. Supabase is best for developers who need full control and prefer SQL. Appwrite is great for those who want simplicity and open source flexibility.